Hello, this is Mrs. Walton. I am currently on the Davis School District home page. I'm going to the right, find the button Quick Links, click on Quick Links, go down the options which show up, find Email Office 365, choose Email Office 365, and these are the applications we have available to us. I'm going to Teams because that is the way we are communicating assignments and other information. I'm still learning how to use Teams, and in a minute I'll show you something that I didn't realize I did. Up here is General, Posts, Files, Class Notebook. Here's the weekly learning plan right down here. Class Notebook. I cannot see Class Notebook unless I open the window. To open the window, I come here and I find this arrow underneath the file, Word, and then I can see my Class Notebook. Assignments is the next tab, where I found out that some of the assignments I tried to assign were not complete. Lucky you, you don't have to do them. These are the ones which I created for you to finish. Someone today found out that even though one was published, I had forgotten to attach the file. Thank you very much for that help. I am learning too. I'm going here to this week's article summary. The student view looks like this. The directions are here, and the document you need to fill is here. You can download it, you can open in Word online, and you can open in Word and open in Teams. Here is the document. It is similar to last week's document. In fact, it's pretty much the same, except for I put a header at the top. When I am finished with this, all I have to do is save it. But when I came here, because I am in the Teams application, I don't have to save it. It will save it for me. So I'm going to close and then continue to follow the directions, which says to go to the Flipgrid and record the last part of your assignment, which is to tell us about the article you picked. So I started at the Davis School District homepage. I went to Quick Links, then Office 365, Teams application, I will find the Assignments tab. Here it is right here. I will click on the assignment I need to do. And as you can see over here, Mrs. Walton can tell how many students have turned it in. If I also go to Posts, I can see that my assignments are posted there. This is how to access your assignments in Teams with a little bit of information about saving it. This is Mrs. Walton out.